So what do you do with 6 pounds of beet tops that you grew through the winter? I could freeze them, I could dehydrate them, but I think what I would like to do is I would just like to make a ferment with them. I'm just gonna chop them up into fork-sized pieces, add some salt, and ferment them over the next couple of weeks. Next, we're gonna add pickling salt, and it is important that you use a non-iodized salt. Because we have 6 pounds, I'm gonna put in 12 teaspoons of salt. And then we're just gonna massage that in. And the salt is gonna help break down the greens and start extracting water from them. And then last, we're gonna just stuff it into 1.5 quart jars and allow it to continue to break down and let it sit. Doing a ferment like this is very similar to sauerkraut or to kimchi. Going back and forth between the 2 jars, because as it continues to compress and break down because of the salt, it allows me to put in more of our beet tops here. Lastly, I'm going to put a glass weight, because as the liquid presses out, we want that liquid to stay over top. And then I have a rubber nipple that's going to allow the air to escape as it's making air, but not let any air get into it. So here's our 2 jars of fermenting beet greens. So they're gonna sit on the counter here for about a week, and then I'll check them, but probably they'll be ready in about 2 weeks, and we'll have all this delicious probiotic with all the vitamins and nutrients that are in the beet greens. Hope you're having a great day wherever you are. Take care, God bless.